Well, here it is. A lot bigger stuff than I thought it was going to be. So now I gotta find a place to put it. Hey, that's gonna be fun. In my little bedroom for now. It just looks so much bigger. So much bigger. Oh, man. Alright, we'll see what I can do with it. Well, parts are parts. This is my new cutter. This is my new large format printer. And I think this is the stands for it. And then I got some materials, since I was just cutting vinyl before. Oh my. This is going to be fun getting it in the house. I'll take some video and pictures when I get it in there. And I got a pallet with it. I needed one. Alright. Hang in there. And so it begins. This is the stand for the color printer. And there's the color printer there, which is going to be going over there until I get my cargo trailer to a point where I can take it out there. Alright, keep checking in. Well, I got it on its stand, and tomorrow I'll actually set it up. This is metal, which is surprising. Usually it's plastic. It's got a bunch of wheels. That's a plus. This is just some of the stuff I have to take off before I run it, and that's part of the setup process. So that's the inkjet there. It's got a cutter down here, cutting material. And it has 8 cartridges. Alright. Now I'm going to actually put a shelf up here for the cutter. Just need to know how far up here I need to put it. Probably right up tight to this one. And because I have no place for the cutter. So I'm not going to put the cutter on the stand. So there we go. Mutoh value jet 628, which is a J24. So I don't know why they have different names for it, but who knows. Alright, got that ready to print. And I have my shelf up here for the cutter. And then I'll just move it to another spot when I actually do the cutting, since I'm in such tight quarters here. Alright, I'll get the cutter up there in a minute. Okay, get the cutter up. It's a Muse M24. And compared to my old cutter was a Volkswagen. This is a Mercedes. It has LED lights up under it. If I can get it under there. It has LED lights to let it work. It has a touch screen. Really nice. Alright, I'm going to show you how this thing works here in a minute. I cut up an old blanket I had that was way too big for the bed anyway, to make covers so that I can keep the dust off. Definitely will need this out in the desert. Here's the first test. So it's coming. What is it? Yep. The fade looks pretty good. It's looking good. Pretty quick for such a big decal. I haven't got it on contour cut. I gotta learn how to do that yet. It's looking good. I made it big on purpose so you could see it. Plus I wanted to see how much smell there was with this machine. Not much. Alright, it's done. Alright, looks like it prints pretty well. Probably in the shadow here. So, on to the next ones.